Hi, my name is Matt Noor. I'm the engineering manager for the code creation team. Specifically, we're focused on code suggestions. And one of the posters we had at Summit was around our Retrieval Augmented Generation. We also sometimes just abbreviate it to RAG, and how we're doing it. And this got a lot of interest, so I wanted to just highlight a couple things here. So Retrieval Augmented Generation is basically we want to learn more about your repository, your code, and then use that information to make better code suggestions. What we do today is showed in this diagram here is basically when you commit a change to like a package file, like your gem file.lock in Rails, we do a scan to look at that, try to understand what packages, what libraries you're using. And then when we go to make code suggestions, we add that information into the prompt so we know what libraries you're using. And we do this for a number of different languages. It's not just Rails. But this is really just kind of scratching the surface. The larger goal is to continue to add more and more context to these prompts, so the code suggestions keep getting better and better and more tailored to the specific user or customer. So some of the things that we're working on now is trying to work with some other teams at GitLab to store embeddings. And this is a way to kind of store information about your whole code base, and then we can use that to pull out, what we think is the most relevant related code, and we can send that along. We can look at other files that are open in your repository and maybe or in your editor and maybe send those along, or doing other kinds of searches to find related files. So those are the types of things that we're looking for. Yeah, I think this is a big benefit to having GitLab as a full DevSecOps platform, is that we have a lot of information that we can pull in from and learn from and provide to really build up these really solid code suggestions. If you have any questions, please reach out to us in Slack. In the G Code Creation Slack channel is probably the best first place. Thank you very much, and yeah, keep using code suggestions.